I'm Likhitha and today I'm at the Data Trains Noida office as I'm keenly interested in data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I googled about Data Train and now I'm here to meet my admission counselor. So let's see how it goes. Hi everyone, I came all the way from Bangalore to visit Data Train's office here in Noida. I just met the admission counselor where I cleared all my doubts. They provide demo class, live sessions with experienced faculties, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, live project and it's cost effective. And I finally decided to enroll in the 10-month data science program. I'm very excited.